Well, let's show you these 7 little Rockingham side plates. What we'd really categorise as a biscuit plate, sized down from a normal side or tea plate. These are 5.5 inch, very finely decorated, as you can see. This lovely sort of pale olive green ground background on the rims, and then this gilt detailing, transfer printed and hand applied on the moulded rims. This is all palpable and all relief painted by the decorators. None of them have got factory marks on, which is quite normal for this age and production, but they have got the pattern reference on most of them, 3666. Just look at the condition of that glaze, really fine. No condition notes on any of these, just the tiniest little bit of antique wear on some of the gilt decoration on the plate surface, but by and large they're all in really fine antique condition. Beautiful things. We do have other pieces in this same design, so if you are looking at these thinking, oh, wouldn't it be lovely if I had a teacup, a Georgian teacup trio, or a standard more modern English open Victorian bowl teacup trio with saucer and side plate. We've got both on offer in this set. It was part of a large antique set we purchased, and I think there may be a teapot, but it has got some damage on it, but it is usable still, and it supports this sale as a proper tea set if you would like to look at that option. But these individual biscuit plates are going on sale for replacement or collector's market. You may just want 2, 3 or 4 of them as opposed to 7, which we're offering. And we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website where these are going on sale from Vintage and Antiques this afternoon. Thanks for watching.